Hi guys, how are you do? How are you? How are you doing? Everything is fine. I hope all well and fine. Today I just bring another unboxing video for you guys, which is the air fryer and the call the Ninja E00 something. Just I can tell you the name, but this is the Ninja Foodie Max, which is the air fryer, which is the two trays. One side the crisp chips, and one side you can whole chicken you can put inside and do the air fry. And they got all the information on the top, the air fry and the roast you can at the same time. And also you can serve the same time the two things, not the one. That's the is the benefit for this. And then also, there's the different the customizable program, and you can fry nuggets, rolls, chicken, and also rest of the other things. Even you do the pizza, that's up to you how you can use for this fryer. So that's why I just think I can make another video for unboxing for this fryer for you guys. Otherwise I just open for myself. So but I think yes, I can make for you guys. So let's have a look. So what's inside? So I cut the tape already because I don't have the warehouse knife, so I can cut before because the kitchen knife, so I don't want to show in the video. So this is the inside, the packing like this. And first of all, this is all the manual guide inside. They just tapping all up, and then you're gonna need to open and have a look and then have a read. And just carefully you need to open and make sure nothing inside. And this is the packing look like. And carefully you need to open. Don't make a rush, otherwise this can get the break or broken, and don't get damage your item. So they are just taken out. So let's have a look. There's not any handle at all there. So I don't know. I'll just take a risk. So this is one side here. So because that's the. Here we go. Because very careful. I just take a risk for this. I can lift up like this, but actually just to make sure any handle or any secure way you need to take out this appliance, this fryer. Because otherwise the fryer get damaged anyway. This should be there's something for a handle or something, but they don't supply at all. So I'll just put it back in. So this is they can put some secure scratch proof the packing on the top, which is you need to be careful. And always in my video I just advise to you guys, make sure to keep your box at least for 30 days. Anything happen with your appliances, you can just refund or exchange it. Otherwise, if you don't have the packing, they maybe say no, they're still looking for the packing anyway. So that's why you need to keep in safe someplace in 30 days, and after you just get rid of your box. So this is Ninja, look like Ninja, and there is all a different the setting max crisp air fryer roast. And this side for the baking area, you can do the bake and reheat, and also dehydrate for the meat or anything. So this is they just showing for the dual zone technology, which is the chicken, fries, fish, and this is the sausages, and also like a vegetable cauliflower something, and this is the cake, pancake. So you can even make in the same air fryer. Just remove for the safe tape. Safety tape I just remove. They remove all the packing, and there is they can supply for the both side for LCD screens on the both side, and there is the start button, and then you can change for the different heat level, and you can just press it, and they can turn this one, turn it on. And this is basically turn on the button this side on my left hand side of the fryer, and there is the trays. They can just give it the numbers, number one tray, and this is number 2 tray. That in the number 1 tray they can supply they put some safety packing. So I just take it out, and this is the tray. It's a very good size tray and deep trays, which is I think 2 to 3 people, and they can easily manage with this and serving for the 2 to 3 people. And there is very nice and handy, sleek design, and you can see, and also very sleek chrome handle as well. And the inside there is some trays, which is like if any oil or spillage, they can go underneath the tray. And there's top like a mesh tray, that all oil and spillage, they can go inside on the bottom of this trays, which is very good. And after when you use for a couple of days, and then you're going to take the oil off and clean it. Otherwise air fryer become a dangerous because they get a fire through the oil, because they inside the element become a red and make a heat, produce the heat. There may be the chance for the fire. So better be, you can just make sure to read this manual book and all instruction before you start. So this is my unboxing today, and I can just put back these trays. So these are the I just don't want to say at the moment to recommend it to you, because I don't want to give you the review the same time when I use for a couple of days or 1 day, so I can just find out for this fryer is okay for us, and then I can just make another video for review to recommendation and recommend to you guys. So thank you very much for watching my video. And also I can say always as usual, like and subscribe and press bell icon button, then you're gonna get for the latest upcoming video. So in the meantime, just wait and watch, because you can see now I just bring many unboxing videos, and because you guys just like and subscribe our channel, that's why I bring more and more and good video for you. And also now my next video for my review actually for the Takumi aircon, because the people, they just want to request so how this Takuma for use. So I just make a review, they make for the video for my review for Takuma aircon. So until then, you can just wait and say, I just say again, thank you very much for watching my video, and just do it as much as you like, and just stay on our channel, and you can get more video. If I can see, you can just subscribe my channel and like my channel. So thank you very much, take care, bye bye.